Hey guys, welcome to today's video, and on today's video I'm going to show you guys how to create a sticker pack, and I'm actually going to show you guys the step that I took in creating all of this sticker pack. So make sure you watch the video from the beginning to the end. So if you want to create a sticker pack by yourself, which is a customized sticker pack, this is actually what you need to do. So follow the steps that I took and you are going to be good to go. So now let me start by showing you guys what a sticker pack is. Now if you open your WhatsApp, and if you already know where the stickers are. So now these are actually a sticker pack, right? This is the same sticker pack. This is a different sticker pack. Now if you want to look further, let me not confuse you, let me click on this plus icon right here. This right here is a sticker pack. This is another sticker pack. These are different sticker pack, and if you need any of them, you click on the plus icon. It will be downloaded to your phone and you start making use of it subsequently. And if you click on each sticker pack, you can see that there are so many of the sticker pack, and these are also animated. Right now let me go ahead and zoom out and close it. Now if you go to my sticker pack, you can notice I do not have any sticker pack active for now. That is because I have not installed any or added any. Now let's continue by creating our own sticker pack. So now the first step I took in creating my own sticker pack is actually making use of ChatGTP. So with ChatGTP, I actually have to create a prompt for the sticker pack. This is actually the prompt I use for the sticker pack. So I have this prompt, and I actually have the I actually make use of the GTP to create a font, or let's say a text for it, and it did try, but it did not create it perfectly well, because you can see all of the images are not showing well. So that was actually an issue. So it would have been better, but it actually had an issue. But now you can see all of this sticker right here, that they are actually looking well and they are very good. So this is actually the ones that I actually make use of individually. So I copied each of them individually, and then I opened Leonardo AI, and I created all of the sticker pack making use of Leonardo AI. So let me show you guys Leonardo AI. Let's say app.leonardoai.image generate. While that is loading, let me also show you guys the one that have already been created. They are all on my file. I have downloaded all of it, and this is an example of one. This is the second one. These are all created making use of Leonardo AI. Very cool, right? Now all I needed to do with Leonardo AI is take the generated prompt from ChatGTP. I copied them individually, and then I went to Leonardo AI to paste it. You can see it says celebrate fox, and right here it also okay, this is a crying fox, right? And you can see right here also is a crying fox. And if you come right there, you are going to see that the image right here actually matches the images that were already on my download. So that is actually what I used to create them. Now let's continue to creating our sticker pack on WhatsApp. Now to create your sticker pack on WhatsApp, you need a particular application. The application that we are going to be making is actually called Stickerly. So you type in sticker.ly, right, and it's going to bring in the application. This is the exact application. So you have it installed and you open it, then you are ready to go. So now after opening the app, now the next thing to do is actually to create. I'm going to go ahead and skip this, is to go ahead and create. So to start creating, you click on the plus icon and then you use regular. Now if you choose regular, it's going to prompt this, and do not forget, if you click on one image, it's going to assume you only want to create your sticker just for one particular sticker. You want to choose this particular image just for one particular sticker, but if you want to choose all of them, just click on select, and then you go ahead and select all the images that you want to use for your sticker. So I'm going to go ahead and select all of this, and I think 18, right? Let's say 20 of them. You can choose even more. I think I'm actually okay with that. I'm going to go next, And then you notice it says it gave it an image, and I can actually use this on default, but I do not actually want to use this. Instead, what I want to do is to create a new pack. This name is just going to be my sticker on default, but I want to change it. So you just click on new name and you can give it a new name. So I'm going to call this Foxy sticker. So and I'm going to make this public. If you want to make it private, you can just select this, but I think I'm actually okay. Anybody can use it. Just click on create and this is going to load up. Now you notice it has actually loaded up. Now you can actually add a tag to it. I can say Fox. Yeah, I'm okay with that. And I'm going to hit save. You can notice it's loading. Just wait for it to load up so that you can see the preview. Alright, so it has finished loading. You can add more sticker if you want to, but I think I'm actually okay with this. But then you can notice this is also uploading, so just allow it to finish uploading, and it's going to upload all of the images that you have based on your internet speed. So currently my internet speed is not too fast, so it's actually downloading everything gradually. So very soon this is going to complete. I think it's already completed, right? This is 24. Now it's completed. So the next thing you need to do is to add to WhatsApp. So you click on add to WhatsApp and starting. Oh, I'm not interested in that. So you can see that is downloading 100%. Just allow it to finish downloading and you are good to go. So it's currently downloading, so you give it some time. Yeah, and this advert displaying is just the advert that displays because you are making use of the free version. So closing it. All right, so next thing you do is to click on add. So now you notice it says adding to WhatsApp and it has added. So now the next thing you need to do is to go over to your WhatsApp and then you confirm that it has been added. So click right here. You can see it right here, but just in case, click on this plus icon and then you go to my sticker. This is it right here, and then you can now start making use of it. So I can come right here, click on this. These are all the sticker image showing, and I can always use this whenever I want. So I hope this video is helpful. If it is, don't forget to smash like, and guys, I will see you on the next video. Stay safe and peace.